Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. So today I'm going to be doing just like a vlog day. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast right now, go to the gym for some cardio, and then go get a coffee. And what else am I gonna do today? Oh, I'm gonna go grab some materials and some things I'm gonna need for another video for some DIY. So if you guys want to follow me along for today, for this Saturday. Oh, it's Saturday. What time is it? It's like 10:30. So I'm not an early morning person. I haven't even ate breakfast. So I also sold a couple of things on Poshmark. Go ahead and follow me. I will follow you guys back. Just let me know you guys followed me because of the YouTube video. It is Alexxislexus. It is the same as my Instagram as well. You can use my name as well to get $5 for your first purchase. But it is easy, fast way to like sell things. I have a whole bunch of crap. I'm a shopaholic, so I sell my makeup on there. I will sell my shoes. I'll sell anything else. I'll eat and stuff as well. So go ahead and follow me. So yeah, let me just grab some of those packages and ship them out. Quick break to go potty and stuff. As you can see, when I first get here, I do stretching. I usually will do abs and stuff with my sister, and then I go 10 minutes. I usually do 10 minutes on each exercise. After ropes, I think I'm pretty much done. It's just a little bit, you know, on Saturday, but I do go try to do Monday through Friday, if not at least 3 days a week. So alright guys, so we're actually gonna go home right now and eat breakfast because we haven't ate breakfast. We just ate a smoothie and an apple. So then we're gonna come back to the dollar store maybe. I need to stop at Goodwill to get some things I'm gonna do for a DIY project for next video. So it will be Winter Décor DIY. So in my car, as you guys saw, we just got done eating some breakfast. Now I'm going to go to Goodwill to find a white sweater that I can cut up. I'm also going to stop at the dollar store and get some other stuff I need, and I'm gonna stop at Lowe's to get white spray paint. So follow me there. Again, like I said, this is for my next DIY winter decor video. So stay tuned for that. That should be up maybe next week, hopefully, if I have time. Needs to be white. Oh my gosh, I think I already found it. This is like the first thing I'm looking at. How much is this? $6.99. Do I want to spend $6.99 on this? I don't think so. What's the tag? I'm looking for something like this printed. This is actually pretty good. $6.99. No thanks. I found some yarn for $1.99. Okay guys, so I just parked at Lowe's. I'm here in the middle of the parking lot and people are looking at me while I'm talking to you guys, and it's a little weird. Spent $22 or $20 at Goodwill, so the things kind of look like shit, but it's gonna look nice once I'm done with them. I'm stopping here to get 2 white matte spray paint. Oh Jesus. Okay, I had to come over here and look at the stuff here. Oh my gosh, look how cute. You guys, I'm definitely gonna decorate my house full, like, just glam, not glam, full Christmas. Like, I want the music. Like, have you seen those videos where, like, the lights match the music? That's exactly what I want. Like, I don't know, I need to find someone that knows how to do that, or I need to find that on YouTube. I'm just too excited. You guys, I was born to decorate for Christmas. This looks like my dog, Kevin. Mr. Peepees, I found you. Oh my gosh, he's right here, look! Okay, that's enough. We didn't come for this. Oh my gosh, glitter dust. Can I just spray myself with this? Flat white. Okay, I'm here at the dollar store and I'm gonna get a couple of these. This is 15 feet, but wow, that was really small. 4. Let's just take 4 of these things. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these. Get 3 whites. Okay, I think we're done. So I just got back home. So here's just a sneak peek of the stuff I got. Flowers and stuff. And then I got some yarn. I got the white matte flat paint. A little wreath thingy. Or a wreath maker. I'm not sure what it's called. Then I got some garland. And I got a white sweater. And I also got white yarn. So... oh, and I got some vases, the white yarn, and this basket that I'm also going to paint, obviously white, you can tell. So that's pretty much it for the day. As you can see, that's all the stuff I have bought today. I'm going to start doing some DIYs tomorrow and hopefully edit and put it up for next weekend. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for some more videos. Hope you guys liked it. So see you guys next time. Bye.